I think it really brought the world together in terms of research. The scientists have been very collaborative. Everybody is working on different aspects of the virus, and each piece of the puzzle is important to really fight against the COVID pandemic. We have all been working very hard, sharing important information, sharing details, everything at such a rapid pace, and collaborating so well together that it's a very important step in just the scientific world, and I'll remember it. Most people don't know that coronaviruses actually circulate in the human population, and almost all of us are exposed to coronaviruses, and we call those seasonal coronaviruses. They're very similar to COVID-19, and I've been working on those and understand why these viruses were able to come from animals to the humans and infect us and cause disease. We didn't have to do it in such a short time period, so we really had that time to really understand the virus before, but now everything has to be done in such a rush manner. The virus had this capacity that we hadn't seen in SARS and MERS before. It had the additional capacity to really transmit across the population and cause a pandemic. And I think it's partly also due to the fact that it's not as virulent as the other viruses. There are people who can get the virus without getting sick, which means they can be transmitting it across the population without knowing that they're sick. Every day is a battle. We have so much going on. All the research is so immediate, and we're getting results so immediately. It's really exciting from a researcher's perspective. Everything has been sped up to almost extraordinary levels, truthfully. What we tend to achieve in 4 to 5 months, we get it done in a week. Because we really want people to know what's going on. And every study that we do directly links to how vaccines can be designed or how drugs can be designed against this virus. So it's really important that we keep up this pace during this time. I definitely fear the way people are reacting to it. It's changed all our lives, but I also think it has instilled a sense of responsibility in all of us. I believe that we have to learn something from this pandemic. Going forward, we have to take these viruses more seriously and know that this is a possibility. Right now, what gives me hope is the way the world has been working together to really fight this pandemic. At least from a research point of view, we're all working together. There's a lot of collaboration going on all over the world. We're sharing information so freely, and I think this is really important to fight against this virus, and there's hope for it.